it's the middle of the week, and guess what that means? We're doing a 10-minute clean together. A wee bit different today. I'm going to be working in my she shack, the garden shed where I have my plunge pool. It is Flylady Zone 3 this week. Maybe you want to be working in the bathroom. The usual rules apply. Maybe you want to get your cleaning caddy ready. I'm ready to go here. Stop the video, go and get your stuff, come back, and then let's dive in. And if you want to go for a dive in the plunge pool, you are very welcome. Diane and Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. I am a routines coach and I'm helping you this year to simplify and to thrive. We're checking with each other 3 times a week. On Monday, we did a guided declutter together in Flylady Zone 3. I was doing Easter decorations. Today, I am cleaning my she shack, the garden shed. Wherever you're working, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that you work for 10 minutes and you work along with me. And as I've said before, I don't do any sponsored content. I don't put any annoying ads that pop up in the middle of the videos. So we're just going to concentrate for 10 minutes and see how much we can get done. And the first thing I'm going to do before we even get to cleaning is to scan the room. Is there anything that needs to be picked up and put away? The candle that I light in here this morning is on its last legs, so that is going out into recycling. And I've actually got another one once we're finished here that I've been shopping my house, and I'm going to put a different one out here. So this one is going. And I have this thermometer in the shed, but I haven't actually put it up anywhere. And I thought today's the day. So I've got some of that double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to do that right now. Popped it in my little cleaning caddy. Here we go. And a couple of days ago we were well below freezing, but now we seem to be in for the big thaw again. So we're plus temperatures. It felt pretty cold this morning when I was in there. Let me see, temperature right now is about 4 or 5 degrees. Right, and I'm just, as I said, I'm just going to stick that up here. Yay, done. There's also a plastic poinsettia, one of the white ones that I had in the house over Christmas. I'm going to put that away with the Christmas outdoor and plastic decorations. I'm going to put that over there. And I have a box that actually belongs in the car. I'm just going to put that at the door, and when I'm finished, that's going out into the car. Ooh, and this is one of my favourite things. It's my little gardening chair. A little stool that I can carry around the garden with me. This is something that I got for Mother's Day. Was it 2 years ago, 3 years ago? We are coming up for Mother's Day, or maybe you've got a birthday or Christmas coming up. Make sure that you keep a running list. So when the family says to you, what do you want? You can let them know. Okay, everything's picked up and put away. The floors are clear. I'm going to do a quick feather dust in here. And this is an old duster that I had that's lost most of its feathers. And I'm just going to go around, as usual, clockwise. Are there any spiders in here? Probably. Anyway, close your eyes. Ooh, yeah, some spiders' webs. Oh. Right. Oh, not too bad, but I don't want any spiders falling on my head when I'm in my plunge pool trying to be zen in the morning. Right, okay, that's that. I'll give that just a quick shake outside and we're done. Hang it back up again. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to get rid of all the leaves because the leaves blow in underneath the shed. It's not completely fixed to the ground. And is anybody else doing a lull today? Load of laundry. Do you need to check on that before you get into cleaning or decluttering? Remember, keep going with your daily routines, whether you're in the Northern Hemisphere or the Southern Hemisphere. Just check off that you've done your morning routine or your evening routine, or maybe both, because it's really those daily routines that keep us in balance. Okay, so we've got our daily routines and then we've got our cleaning, decluttering. Woohoo! Ready to go. And do you have a plunge pool? Would you consider getting a plunge pool? Or does the idea of the cold water first thing in the morning, does that scare you? Hold on, I'm just going to go in with these ones. And I hope you're beginning to realise by now that we're just doing 10 minutes, and even if you don't want to do it, we can really get so much done. So just keep going, keep working along with me. There we go. Much better, because it really does make a difference when I see that in the morning when I come in with my little bath mat and put my feet down here. Done. And I did a lot of decluttering here in the garden shed, and I call it my she shack, so I could move my plunge pool in here. And it's so nice just to have the plunge pool covered. And I come out here every morning, even if I'm going to be swimming, you know, doing my ice swimming, my winter dipping in the sea. And it's just a kind of magical couple of minutes. I like the candle. Sometimes I've had to break the ice on the plunge pool because the temperatures can really drop. But having this little space has just made a world of difference to me. And is there anything that you need to stock up on in Flylady Zone 3? Maybe it's toilet roll. I've just used the last of the salt. I put a handful of salt in my plunge pool every time I'm in it. It's just a natural way to keep it clean. Also gives a little bit of scent. It's very nice. So I've just used the last one, as you can see. I used to have this full, so I'm going to add those to my errand list. And the garden shed is also where we store our tyres, the summer tyres for the car, because our garage, there's only room for the car and nothing else. Our garage is from 1933. But I've really enjoyed using these bags from IKEA. It makes it much easier to transport them to the garage and keeps it clean, and they just nestle under there. Right, dusting off the flat surfaces, which in here would just be my table. And as I said, we're doing something a bit different today in the garden shed. If you're looking for my more conventional clean with me videos, if you want to clean in the bathroom for Flylady Zone 3 this week, we did that last month and I've got them all on a playlist and you can work along with me there. And this is the lamp that I bring out with me in the morning, the one that I got for my Christmas last year. It's the USB chargeable one. And in my Hygge tin, this was an old biscuit tin, I just keep some matches for lighting the candle, stops them from getting damp. Right, that's that done. And underneath here, just grab it, I have one of these sensor lights. And I've set it, you can either have it shining all the time, or it will go on for 15 seconds when it senses movement. And I've put that in here because in the morning when I open the door it's really, really dark and it's just nice to have some light until I get the candle going. And actually what I'm going to do with that, this is another one that recharges. I'm going to take that into the house and recharge it. Pop that in my cleaning caddy. And one last thing, now that the rest is done, is as usual to shop your home and see if you can add a little cosy Hygge touch. So I've decided that as the other candle was finished, I've brought in this one, which was in my office, but that's going to be really nice when I'm sitting having my Zen moment in the morning and I can see it easily through the glass. Yay, I'm pretty pleased with that. And happy Valentine's Day if you're celebrating that today. And I hope you got something done today. Maybe you're working along with me in your garden shed. Maybe you've been working in the garage. Maybe you've been cleaning the bathroom. It doesn't really matter as long as you work along with me. And remember to leave a comment. We have this little pact. I'm here for you 3 times a week. And you are working along with me and leaving a comment every single time. All right. And if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend, because the kids want me to get to 100,000 subscribers. Okay. Oh, is that a siren? Is it a timer? Anyway, all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the 10-minute cleaning Hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay. Bye for now.